Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm going to show you top 20 features in Infinix Smart 7 smartphone. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video and don't miss the watch till the end. Before watching this video, if you have not subscribed, then subscribe it. So let's start friends. Go to settings option. Here you can see. Go to special functions. Then here is the MAME fusion option. Click on that and you can just enable this and you can extend the memory of your phone like this. If you have selected 2 GB or 1 GB, you have to simply click on 3 GB or which you have, then press on OK and you have to reboot it first. It will be extend the RAM of your phone. Let's talk about the second feature. Go to the setting option, then go to special function. Here it is a smart panel option. Click on it and you have to enable this. When you just enable this, when you just open any app like this, and if you want to open any other app, you have to just simply right swipe like this. And friends, you can see there are apps. If you want to open YouTube, then click on YouTube. It will open YouTube like this. It is very easy to open anything in a shortcut way. Let's talk about third setting. Here it is, power marathon. Go to advanced setting and here it is battery optimization. Here you can just simply optimize your battery by clicking on any app like this. Facebook, you have to all apps optimize and you have to just click on done. It will optimize the battery use. Let's talk about the fifth setting. Go to settings option. How to enable bubbles in your incoming notification. How you can enable this? Go to settings option. Here you can see notification center, then more settings. Here it is a bubble. Just click on this and you have to enable this. When an incoming notification come, it you can see the preview also. It shows like a bubble and it float on your screen. Like you can just press it and move here and there, and when you just tap it, it opens in a full screen mode. This is how you can enable it. Let's move on to sixth setting. How you can enable select to speak option in your mobile phone. If you want to read aloud by itself, go to settings option, find your special functions, then go to accessibility. Then here you can see select to speak option. Just on it. Tap here to make a shortcut of this, and you can see this is a shortcut. It is floating on the screen. And how you can enable, if you want to just read this, how you can read aloud by this, click on this, then select this. And
when select to speak is
on,
you
can see
tap specific items on your screen to hear them
like
read
this.
aloud.
And if you want to just pause this, just click on this. And if you want to remove, then this, and turn off by like this. Let's move on to seventh setting. How to enable magnification in your Infinix Smart 7. Go to setting and here is a special function. Click on accessibility. Just swipe down, you can see friend, there is a magnification. Click on this like this. And how you can just, if you want to read this text, you can't able to read this because it is very small letter. How you can see this, when you just enable magnification, it is enabled a shortcut like this. If you just click on this and you can see the orange light is appear by zooming like this. You can see friends, this is how you can zoom this and read. Use shortcut to start magnification. This is, you can just read it. and you can do magnification in all your apps, chromes, or even in home screen also. Let's talk about 8th feature, how to enable voice assistant in your Infinix smartphone by tapping on like Google, here home screen button. How you can enable voice assistant, go to the settings option. Here you can find system, swipe down, you can see there is a system navigation. Go to more setting, and here is the voice assistant. To activate voice assistant, press and hold the the home button. Here you can just enable this, and friends, you can see when you just hold this, you can see Google Assistant is started. You can see. So that's 9 setting is how to get automatic update from your phone. How you can enable this feature in the settings. Go to settings option, swipe down, you can see system, swipe down, you can see developer option. Here you can see, swipe down, here you can see automatically system updates, apply updates when device restarts. And when you just enable this, you can see in my phone, you can see update is, if you have any update, it will shown on here in the my phone. Let's talk about 11th feature, how you can enable Google Discover feature like this. It is not showing here. How you can enable this, just tap and long press this home screen, go to menu, and here you can see the other settings. Click on this, and you can see there is a zero screen, quickly view data like workouts and phone usage. On this and press back, you can see the Google Discover feature is enabled in your Infinix smartphone. Let's talk about the 12th feature, how you can connect your others Wi-Fi to your another phone Wi-Fi without any password. How you can do this, I'm showing you. Just go to the settings option, then you can see there is a Wi-Fi. Click on Wi-Fi. First you have to connect a network, and if you not want to just say about the password and you want to connect another phone, just simply open the QR scanner like this, and you have to take another phone and open Wi-Fi like this. Click on this, and you have to just scan it by clicking on this minus button, and you have to like scan like this. And friends, you can see the network is connected successfully. Let's talk about 13 setting. If you are connecting any OTG or pen drive, or you have charging issue, how you can enable the OTG option in your settings. Go to the settings option. Here you can see more connection. You have to just enable this OTG and your problem will be solved. Let's talk about the 13th setting, how you can enable auto rotate. When you just watching any video or photo, you have to just simply do this and you will rotate automatically. How you can do this, go to settings option. Here you can see display and brightness, swipe down, you can see there is a auto rotate screen. You have to enable this, and whenever you want to just rotate, you have to simply do this and it will rotate. Let's talk about 14th setting, how you can enable network speed bar. You can see it is not showing here. How you can enable an Infinix Smart 7 smartphone, you have to simply go to the settings option, then go to display and brightness, swipe down, you can see there is a status bar network speed display. You have to enable this, and friends, you can see it is showing the speed of the internet or Wi-Fi. Let's move on to 15th setting, how you can enable font size in your settings. You have not go to any app to just bigger font. You have to simply go settings, display and brightness, swipe down, you can see the font size. Simply you have to large this icon like this, and you can see the preview also. When you just back, it is in large font. Let's move on to 16 setting. How you can increase screen time in your Infinix smartphone. Just you go to settings, display and brightness. You can see there is a screen timeout feature. You have to enable this, and you can just select 5 minutes and 10 minutes, and then you have to press OK, and it will be applied. The screen will wake up for 5 minutes, and then it will be off. Let's talk about 17 setting. How you can change video while your incoming call is going on. How you can change this background wallpaper in your incoming call. Go to settings option. Here you can say themes and lock screen. Here is my video show. Click on it, and you can see it is a default one, it is a downloaded one. If you want to download any, or you can just simply download it from here. You have to just click on this and click on apply, and it is successfully applied. When someone call you, it will show like this. It is a live wallpaper. You can see, friends, you can see. Let's talk about the 18 setting. How you can make your own stickers in settings. Just go to settings option. Here is a special functions, then go to social turbo, and you can see, friend, there is a sticker maker, and here you can just add this. You can see, friends, and go add to WhatsApp, and you can make your own also. You can add this, and you can create your own sticker by open to the gallery, and you have downloaded one. You can make them also from here. Let's talk about the 19 settings. How you can record calls while WhatsApp voice call or video call. How you can enable this feature in settings. Go to settings option. Here you can find special functions, then go to social turbo, and here you can see voice recorder. You have to simply just enable this feature like this, available during WhatsApp call. WhatsApp voice recorder gives you the ability of saving the audio of your calls. Recording files consume storage. Please make sure storage is sufficient. You can just, and you can use this records folder wherever your recorder will be saved. Here you can just do this settings. Let's talk about the last setting, 20th setting. How you can extra dim even if your brightness is full. You can see brightness is full. How you can dim light when brightness is full. Go to settings option. Here you can see special functions, then go to accessibility. Here you can see extra dim feature, dim screen beyond your phone's minimum brightness, like this. When you just enable this feature, you can see it is in dim, and when you just off the settings, you can see the effect. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then subscribe to our YouTube channel for more helpful tips and tricks video. See you next time.